Okay guys, we're at the Holly Off-Road Park going down the back of the Deadwood. This is quite the trail here. About a 16-degree angle. Right now my wonderful Ford Ranger is taking over for us a little bit. It's quite sandy, so it moves around on us quite a bit. You can hear the traction system. Woo! Now we're going to go up this other hill. Let this dirt bike by us. Oh, he's parked it. That's cool. It's an easy kickstand.
That's Archer. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh, guys.
I'm gonna eat you first. I'm gonna eat you. I'm gonna eat you first.
We're just going to let the Ford crawl up this at 3.5 miles an hour. We're at a 19-degree angle. I'm sure the video is not going to do this justice.
Is this video for YouTube?
We're just kind of talking about it as we do it, so we can remember it later.
Bad.
Wow. It's a little scary. It's kind of fun though.